So joins means it is used to combine two tables based on the columns. Okay. So for explaining about the joins, so I'm taking these two tables, ID, table 1, table 2. Okay. In table 1, ID X column, in under this X column, X1, X2, X3, and under this Y table, Y column, Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay. And here ID will be the common column for these two tables. Okay. And here ID number 3 is only available in table. This is, we can say table A, and this is table B. And the ID number 4 is available only in table 3. Okay. So if you use inner join between these two tables, then see this diagram. Inner join means only matched records available from both tables. Like, see, only matched records. That means 1, 2 records will be displayed. X1, X2, Y1, Y2. If you use left join, matched records from both tables and not matched records from left table. Okay, that is left join, like that. Matched records X1, Y1, X2, Y2, and not matched records means not matched records from left table. That means 3. 3, X3 will be there. So what will be the place of Y? That means null. Right table means matched records plus not matched records from Y table. Okay. So that means 4, ID number 4 will be displayed, and X3, not X3. Y3, Y3 should be there here. Sorry, Y3 should be there. Okay. So full outer join means matched records plus not matched records from both tables. It will be displayed. Okay. So I will explain one by one with examples. So for this, better to take DVR only. And before going to explain about joins, please observe these two tables. If you understand about these two tables, then only you can observe the difference between the types of joins. EPT. Okay. In department table, we have 4 records, 10, 20, 30, 40. In employee table, we have 14 records. Observe the difference. Here, only 10, 20, 30 department numbers are there. 40, it is not available in employee table. Okay. So, here 4, and employee table, we have 14 records, and 4 means 10, 20, 30, 40. And 30. Okay. So this is the main difference. So inner join means matched records from both tables. Okay. So select star from syntax is employee E inner join and department alias name is D on E dot department number equal to D dot department number. Okay. Then here, if you put E dot star means it will, if you put here star, then it will displace all the columns from both tables. If you put E dot star, then it will displace only specific column, all columns from employee table. That means left table. Okay. And here, I want to display specific column names from department table, D name, comma, D dot location. Okay. So this is the, see, 14 records are there. 14 records will be displayed. Okay. These 14 records are having department number 10, 20, 30. Okay. For example, to test this inner join, if I insert one record into employee table, like employee number, department number, I am taking only these two columns. And employee number, it is 4 ones. Department number, I am taking 50. Then if one record has been inserted, you can check that record whether it is available or not. It is inserting for 2 times. Delete from employee number, employee where employee number equal to 111. Okay. Now one time it has inserted. So here, if you check this query, now employee table it is having 15 records and department table it is having 4 records. See, only 14 records. Why? Because see, recently I have inserted one record which is having department number 50 that is not matched with table department. That's why that record is ignored. Okay. So that is inner join. So match records from both tables. And left join. Left join means, so same query, put it here, left. That means definition is match records from both tables plus non-matched records from left table. Left table means for this keyword, whatever the table exists in left side, that is called left table. Whatever the table exists in right side, that is called right table. Okay. So here employee is left table, department is right table. Okay. So if I use here, see, this time employee number 4 ones that is displayed. And coming to this department number 50, remaining columns are null. Okay, this is left join. So right table means, right join means quite reverse. So right join match records from both tables, non-match records from right table. This time the employee table columns are all null. So here write. See, employee column names all are null. Okay. And see here, department number 40, it is not displaying. Why? Because here E dot star, in E dot E employee table, we have department number. That's why that department number is null. If you use right join, so that's why it is displaying null. So I want to display that 40 department number, means if you use D dot DEPT number here, then it will display that. See, 2 times department number will be displayed. You can give alias name DEPT department number like that. Okay. So next, full join. Full join means full join. So not match records from left and right table. Okay. That means all records from both tables. We can say that. So full join. See, this time 16 records are there. 14 matched records. One record is belongs to left table. I mean employee table, this record. And one record belongs to right table, that is department table. That is full join. Okay. And one more join is cross join. Cross join means cross product. Okay. So here I am removing this record which is recently inserted in employee table. Now I have 14 records in employee table. See this count. Okay. If I use cross join now, so here 14 records from employee table, 4 records from department table. So 14 into 4, 56 records I will get. Select, I can use same kind of query. And here cross join. Not execute more than one query in one tab. Try to use multiple tabs for simultaneous execution. What happened? Now it is displayed. Okay. So see, to understand this query logic, see this order by employee number. See, employee number 7369, that is repeated for 4 times. Why 4 times means department number, department table, it is having 4 records. Okay. So that's why it is repeating for 4 times. And each and every record in employee table, that will be repeated for how many records available in department table. That is the logic. Okay. Next one is self join. So self join means a table itself joined. That is called self join. So we can write the inner join logic. See, where it will be used means, see, this is the, see, I will display employee table. So here for employee number 7369, manager is null 78639. 7698, manager is 7839. See, for these three employees are having same manager, that is king. I want to display the employee names along with manager names. In that case, I need to use self join. Okay. So a table join itself, like, so here E dot, I can say that E1 dot employee name. So that E1 means this one, inner join EMP E2, and E1 dot MGR equal to E1 E2 dot employee number, and here E2 dot employee name. Okay. So to check this query, take this employee table query and put it here. Now execute these two queries at a time. See, for Blake Clark Jones, employee number is 7839, that is king. Go to the second data set. For Blake Clark Jones, employee name is king. Okay. So, oh shit, this. Query window is closed. Can get, no problem. Okay, so this is about self join. Okay, and next one is, so is it clear, self join and different types of joins?